Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick animation and just how to play that real quick in Unity and using a script. And first, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the Window tab, you're going to go down to Animation and then Animation. So you get that, and you pull that, it will basically just appear here. You're going to pull that over next to the inspector. It can be anywhere, but next to the inspector is better. Then you're going to press Create Animation while you have your the thing you want animated selected. And you're going to name it. I'm just going to say anim just for, or animation. Yeah, animation. That's the best thing I can get. Whatever. So you're going to get that. And once you do that, you're going to get these two things down in the tab that you have open, which is going to be the animation object and the animation itself. You're going to click on the animation itself. You're going to go into the animation tab right here. You're going to click on your object that you want to animate and press the record button and then do whatever. You're gonna have to go to the amount of frames that you want it to use. So let's say 10 frames later, I want it to go to the right. And you can also just adjust this later. So you can just put it 10 frames and then adjust it to a second later. So then it will go to the right in a second or whatever you want. So basically, yeah, do that. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna go into the inspector tab here of the animation. And you probably want to turn off loop time because if you don't, it's gonna keep looping. It's just not great. Then you're going to need to go to your window again, go to animation and go to animator. In this step, this may look a little confusing, a lot of blocks, a lot of everything, but in this step, it's very easy. All you're going to want to do is right click, create state, empty, and then set your default layer state to that state. This basically says when you start the game, it's going to go to the state. It's going to go to this new state with no animation, so it doesn't just animate immediately and then stop. This is so you can call it from a script. So then once you do this, your animation is pretty much ready to go, honestly. You just need to make your script, which you're going to go to C#. You're going to go to, my bad, you're going to go to C# script. I'll just call it animation. Let's call it that. Go into that. Once you get into a new script, it's not going to look like this. This is not going to be here. I just have this for testing purposes. You're going to go and create a public game object, which is going to be your animator. So basically just put public game object. I'm going to call it object just to keep it nice and simple. Actually, that's all you need. You're only going to need a public game object. You just take that and you're going to put it down here and add after this, anywhere you want in your code, you're going to add after this dot get component animator with 2 parentheses dot play. And then you're going to put in the name of your animation right here. Name of your animation. I just called it, this is going to be amazing, this copy and paste. So just going to copy that. You're going to put that right in there, animation. And it said there was an error, but I think that's about it, honestly. So yeah, it should be working now. All you need to do is put your script on the script holder. This is from a different video. Put your script on the script holder, put your animation cube on there or whatever you want it to be. And when you go into the scene, press the button, it's going to do the animation. It's very easy, very simple. And yeah, that's how you play an animation from the script. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that.